Hey everyone, I'm Mike Andes, and today we're going to be talking about 10 different ways you can make money this summer without spending a bunch of money. You get started today for literally nothing. Number one is a Zoom room. After the past year, people are now working from home and they might not be familiar with cameras and lighting and the sound. You might actually have an entire room in your house now where you're actually creating a Zoom room. You can create that for people, offer a $300 to $500 package where you get up their lighting, you set up their backdrop, you set up their video camera, their webcam, and they're gonna be willing to do that because they're actually needing to work from home now in a Zoom room. Number two is to install beauty bark in the flower beds of people that are trying to sell their house. Right now, the housing market is crazy. Everything's going for record high prices and people are selling houses like crazy. Before they put the house on the market, they want to make the property look as nice as possible. One of the best ways to do that is to install beauty bark or bark mulch, maybe even pine straw depending on your area. You don't need to go get a big trailer or a dump truck. You literally need a shovel and a wheelbarrow and have the mulch delivered to you by the supplier. You don't need to go pick it up from them. Number three is staining fences. Again, when people are trying to sell a house, they're looking for the ways that they can spend a little bit of money and make the house look a lot better and improve the value of the home. When the real estate market is hot as it is now, people want to be able to sell these houses quick and get top dollar. If they can spend $500, $600, $700 on staining a fence and making it look brand new and improve the value of their home by $2,000 or $3,000, it's a great deal for them, and you can provide that service for literally just getting a roller and getting the stain from the hardware store and selling services today. Number four is installing for sale signs for houses that are going on the market. Again, houses are selling like crazy. People are putting their houses for rent. Those signs need to be installed in the ground. But yeah, the wooden ones that look like an L upside down, those got to go in the ground. You can actually get in touch with realtors, real estate brokers, and when they have a house that goes on the market, you could be the person that goes and digs the hole and it installs that sign. Number five is doing checkups on snowbirds' homes. If you live in the southern part of the United States, Florida, Arizona, places where it's hot during the summer and people move up north, their houses might be empty all summer long. You can go and check in on their house, make sure that the water's running right, no one's broken in, no rodents are intruding, and you might go there monthly and charge them $99 to kind of just check out all the systems of the house, make sure no one's broken in, and make sure their house is safe. Number six is weeding services. Yes, those flower beds, they grow weeds, and you can offer a service for maybe only $20, $30 per week to a customer where you come to their house, you pull all the weeds, rake out the beds, and make it look nice. The beautiful thing about this one is you literally just need a rake and your fingers. You might not even need a rake, just your fingers to pull out those weeds and make sure the property is looking good all the time. And the best thing about it is it's recurring revenue. Every single week, maybe every other week, you can do this service. Number seven is social media and video services for small businesses. After COVID, a lot of small businesses had to pivot and move their business online. They needed not only websites, but more importantly, they needed to drive traffic to those websites through Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. If you know how to use a camera, if you know how to create social posts that are engaging to the customers, you can go into a small business, a bakery, a gym, a mechanic, a retailer, and ask, hey look, give me $150 for this week. I'm gonna create 5 posts for you. I'm gonna drive traffic to your store and make you money. If you focus on that, I'm gonna make you money. You can pick up a camera, maybe it's even your cell phone, and start making ads, taking pictures, and making videos for a small business in your community. Number 8 is to start your own Etsy store. Etsy has exploded over the past year after the pandemic when people are at home and they're trying to make some money just selling the things, little crafts and arts that they make. You can make apparel units, but then put pictures, memes, relevant things that are happening in our world and sell it on your Etsy store. So if there's a big game, if there is a movie that's coming out, try to create something funny, something that is going to be shareable and memorable, and make it on your Etsy store using a service like Teespring and a host of other services that will make apparel for you and customize it for you. Number 10 is to turn one room in your house into an Airbnb. Just last quarter, over 52% more bookings were on Airbnb because of the massive travel boom that's happening across the country. If you have a 4 or 5 bedroom house, turn one bedroom with a separate entrance, maybe a back door, into an Airbnb that you can charge $50, $60 per night and make some good money on the side. Yeah, you're gonna have some fees go to Airbnb, but it's a great opportunity without having to spend a bunch more money to be able to make some extra income this summer. Whether you're on summer break from school or you're just trying to make a quick buck during the summer, comment below what you're doing, what small business you're starting to make an extra buck this summer. I'm Mike Andes. We'll see you next time.